My name is Geraldine Sadia, and I'm a project engineer with the City of Saskatoon Sustainability Department. Even though my title says project engineer, I'm actually still an engineer in training, but I'm working towards getting my professional engineer title over the next coming months. So, as a project engineer in sustainability, specifically the City Sustainability Department, I assist with the delivery of the energy management program. And we focus on the planning, development, and implementation of energy and water efficiency projects that enable the city to achieve its greenhouse gas emission reduction goals. So aside from managing my own projects, I also monitor and track the city's energy and water use, conduct energy and water audits, develop energy models, and support the greenhouse gas inventory. And then I communicate all of this information back to stakeholders so that they can make better informed decisions based on research and data. So my typical workday is a bit dynamic because I help manage the civic energy management program while also leading or supporting other capital projects. So I tend to juggle multiple tasks and responsibilities throughout the day, and yeah, it's quite busy. But typically I would do all my research, analysis, or report writing in the morning because that's when I have the energy to think more critically or creatively. And then in the afternoon, that's when I would schedule meetings such as one-on-one conversations with my manager or schedule in a group meeting to talk with my coworkers and just chat a little bit about my projects or their own projects and figure out the kind of support that they need and vice versa. I obtained my bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from the University of Saskatchewan. I pursued chemical engineering because I was really interested in sustainability and learning more about how we can make large industries more environmentally sustainable. I was also interested in water treatment because I wanted to learn more about how to make clean water more accessible to everybody, because where I came from, not everybody had access to clean drinking water. So I wanted to learn more about that. However, the reality was that when I was studying chemical engineering at the U of S, a lot of the courses that I took in my third year or fourth year of engineering, it focused heavily on oil and gas processing. So I felt like it was the complete opposite of what I want to do with my career. So it didn't really align with my personal interests and values. But luckily, when I was applying for internships, the city had an opening for an energy and sustainability engineering intern. And I applied for it and was given the chance to start my career in sustainability. So my internship really set that foundation for me, and I was really thankful to have been given the chance to work with really smart and talented engineers in our team. And throughout my internship, I saw the value and importance of the work that our group was doing. And as an intern, I wanted to help as much as I could to help the group succeed with their projects. And after graduation, I was offered a full-time project engineer role within the same department, and I started taking on more responsibilities and managed my own projects. So to date, I've been with the city for almost 7 years now. My interest in sustainability started way before I started university. I knew that I wanted to pursue a career path in sustainability, maybe even environmental engineering. But, it was 50-50. I was interested in both sustainability and water treatment. I couldn't decide which one to do, so I did something more general and did chemical engineering. As a project engineer, especially here at the city, I really enjoy working on a lot of exciting projects and getting being able to see ideas transform from the planning to the implementation stage. I enjoy being able to apply my project management, research, analysis, all these skills to help create that information package that I'm able to provide to internal stakeholders so that they can make better informed decisions on the work that we do. I also enjoy working with subject matter experts in our department. And they're very knowledgeable in their own fields of expertise. And I love learning and understanding things from their perspective and incorporating all that feedback into the work that I'm doing. I believe that the qualities or skills that I've learned in university have helped me become more successful in the work that I'm doing right now. All the skills that I've learned from doing research, analysis, or all the assignments that I completed in school have helped me become more disciplined, focused, and become more analytical, and apply all those skills to what I'm doing right now. It gets busy, but like all the organizational and time management skills are really important. Teamwork and collaboration is really important in the work that we do. So as you know, like not one person would have all the skills or like talents in the world to solve today's problems. Like you need to work with subject matter experts and like learn from them, and yeah, be able to like consolidate all these ideas to improve your project outcomes. So I believe that in today's world, like we need more people to be engaged in careers in sustainability to help tackle a lot of problems such as climate change, waste diversion, resource and environmental protection, etc. So yeah, sustainability is a very broad field, and there's no one path when it comes to it. But certainly, it is a path that will continue to grow over the years because a lot of organizations and businesses, they have started paying more attention to their ESG performance, so that's environmental, social, and governance practices. And yeah, in the energy industry alone, there's a lot of opportunities to get involved, especially around energy efficiency, energy management, electrification, and decarbonizing our electrical grid using more sustainable forms of like energy generation and energy storage. Figuring out what you want in life can be a really daunting process. I was at the same stage when I was in high school and trying to figure out what I want to do in life. But if you're a high school student watching this video and you want to pursue a career in sustainability or really any other field, I have 4 pieces of advice for you. So the first thing that you want to do is, really take the time to reflect on what it is that you want. Figure out what your skills are, what are your talents, what are your personal values and interests in life, and then try to match those talents and skills with a real life job. So maybe this is something that your career counselor can help you with. And then you can pursue the education that you need to get into that field. And while pursuing your education, maybe you can apply for some summer jobs or internships that can help you get your foot in the door. You can also do some volunteering on your spare time to learn more about the community and expand your network. And thirdly, after you're done school, look for organizations that really align with your values and interests. And if you're interested in sustainability, look for organizations that are committed to achieving their sustainability goals. And then lastly, nowadays it is important to have an online presence, so like a LinkedIn profile. That's how you can stay up to date with industry news and become more visible to potential recruiters and like employers. So make sure that your profile is professional and up to date. To further improve my technical knowledge and skills around the energy industry, I signed up for additional trainings and certifications from the Canadian Institute of Energy Training. So I completed my Certified Energy Manager, Certified Energy Auditor, and Certified Red Screen certifications. And yeah, all of these trainings have really helped me solidify all the skills that I know now about energy management, energy auditing, developing energy models, and yeah, I'm able to apply all these skills to the work that I'm doing. And then outside of work, to further help me develop my leadership and communication skills, I do quite a bit of volunteering in the community. So right now, I am the co-chair for the Gen Next Council at the United Way Saskatoon, where I get to volunteer with young professionals within my age, and we volunteer our time to raise awareness about some of the issues that are facing our community. So we focus on areas such as helping kids be all that they can be, moving people from poverty to possibility, and then building healthier and stronger communities. Also, I would volunteer for career fairs once in a while to encourage and inspire high school students, especially those who may or may not have like role models in their lives to consider a career in STEM. And deep down, I want to remind them that their dreams and goals are valid and they too deserve a chance to succeed in life.